I am out of shape. Really horribly out of shape. Anyways, this is the second view. Another little fall dip here. I'll actually try and keep this going while I hike my way up there. And y'all can have a giggle listening to me be out of breath. As I try not to die along the way up. Down is probably going to be much more interesting. But anyways, once we make it past these trees, all right, shrink it out a little bit so you can see. I can even feel the mist hitting me in the face here. There's some more down there. That's as much as it wants to zoom out. But yeah. How's that for a waterfall? That's pretty cool. I hope you like this one. Oh yes, by the way, even though I said it on the last one with the far distant view, my name's Al. This is my channel, Al Unedited. If you like this, please hit the like button and maybe even subscribe. But I'm gonna hike back down and I'll show the view again on the way down. And once I get to the bottom, and hopefully I don't die because it's a hike, albeit a very short one. So here we go. Down we go. And this could be relatively interesting. There's a couple of different paths I could take, and knowing my luck, how my luck works. Oh hey, and by the way, there's some mountains over there. We're gonna actually zoom in on the mountains while we're here. Hey, how's that for nice? Zoom back out again. All right, down we go. Hopefully not dying in the process. Because it's not like I'm not old or anything. Yeah. For them guys who complain about being old, when I still got a few years on them yet. Okay, so we passed this little bit on the way up before. So this is this little bit. And if we come over here, we can go like this. And that's that there. Again, that's why I wanted to go up. I don't know how best those trees are blocking the view, but anyways, here's this little thing where this little second section of the falls. And again, turning around, trying to find a sort of safe route back. Once we get past the trees, we'll show you the other view of the mountains again. And probably another... Ooh, that rock didn't feel very stable. Ooh, watch the little pebbles. All right, jump. Oh, me didn't like that. Okay. We'll wander over this way. Yes, I know I'm talking a lot. Oh, this doesn't look like it's going to be a very good shot from here, from this side. Probably need to be on the other side. But that ain't going to happen. All right. Here we go. Over here. There we go. And all the way back up again. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. There we go. Hey, this is a little bit of an adventure anyways, on an otherwise long, boring drive. Oh, hey, right. Mountains. Watch where I stick my feet, because falling down there would probably not be fun. But if I zoom in on that rough edge of snow it looks like there, that's probably avalanched a few times. Whoops, if I was actually pointing at it. There we go, now that I'm pointing at it, that has probably avalanched a few times. Whole bunches of snow coming off there. There's some more mountain over that way. All still nice and snowy for me. Okay, one more short hike. Yeah, sorry the camera isn't always all that stable, because I didn't bring my gimbal. I forgot it. Got that sometimer's disease going on. Thinking about how I actually want to get down here without breaking anything. Alright, good, that worked. Okay. The rest of the path should be relatively easy. Alright. So we're coming down this way. Oh, hey, and at least it's not that windy out. If you saw my video on the goats, go check that out. The wind wasn't really that, or the wind was kind of really strong, so it wasn't that great. Okay, while we're at it, we're gonna zoom out, let you have a look at that as well. Okay, turning around. Some random lady posing for her friend, but this is pretty much the entirety of the waterfall. And down here goes into a little stream and under the road, up here, all the way up here, and all the way up there again. Okay, anyways, if you've made it this far, please hit the like button. And maybe even subscribe. My name is Al, and this is my channel, Al Unedited. I hope you enjoyed this. See you on the next one.